So we ordered a power pack for our camping trips. It's a Bluetti, and we're gonna do an unboxing for you.
Cut, cut, cut. Watch your fingers. Oh no.
I suppose we'll need that too.
Bob, no. So what we ended up doing was we bought the 120 watt solar panel that would go with it as well because it was on sale. So here's the version that we got. It is the AC50S.
2-year warranty. This must be the cables.
Most likely, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
It's heavy. USB outlets.
Got power outlets, AC.
Mm-hmm.
Got DC as well. Obviously the AC DC power. And 12 volt. And you've got Marley trying to have fun with the box.
Looks like it comes with a light.
Yep. So this is the solar panel. This is the solar panel essentially. That's what it is. So, Bob, you're not going to fit. And that's basically the solar panel right there. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it opens up to 4, but
it has little legs on it that Ryan didn't show you guys. It stands up by itself.
Yeah. I think this would be a pretty cool addition for winter camping for the heat source. But also, like in the summer, if we ever need to charge, the cameras or anything like that, that way it's a peace of mind. So it's always good to have that. But yeah, we'll charge it and we'll see what it does and kind of test the limits and see how long it goes. So, cool.